Welcome to the second part of the Introduction to Technical Analysis. In this lesson, I will be introducing Tradingview. Tradingview is the number one technical analysis tool in the world. If you want to really go deep into day trading actively, you have to know how to use Tradingview. Most exchanges have an integration for Tradingview on their platform. The chart you are seeing, you are able to switch over to Tradingview interface. So go ahead and download Tradingview from your app store and open it. Tradingview is not only for analyzing crypto market, it is also for other markets like stock markets and what have you. You are able to analyze every market here. So let's begin from the bottom. You will see you have a watch list. This is where you add your favorite assets or assets you want to keep watching. It added these ones by default like indices, stocks, futures, forex, and a few crypto. I don't want all those. I only want crypto. How do you remove them? By pressing on them and clicking on delete. TradingView prompts me to sign in. To be able to use watch lists, you have to create accounts on TradingView. So go ahead and sign up. I will sign in to my account. Immediately I signed in, all those assets disappeared because TradingView just wanted to show me around. Now I am still on the watch list. I can go ahead and add one asset now. So let me add BTC USDT. It is already there. You can see it. You could add any of the BTC USDT pairs depending on the exchange you want to look at. I will go with Binance. Tap on it. It is added. You could go ahead and add more. The next section is the chart section. When you click on chart, it will take you to your chart. From this section, you could bring up any asset you want to analyze. Let's say you want to analyze it. Click on BTC USDT, type each USDT. Choose according to your exchange. Next to the symbol, you can see where to change your chart. You could click on it, change this chart to 1 minute, 3 minutes, 1 hour, 1 week, 1 day. Let me switch it to 1 hour. It's going to show you the hourly charts. The next ideas is where you get ideas from what people post. You could also add yours. Next, you could read up news here. From the menu, you can change your theme. You could switch it to dark view. It is looking more clear now for me. You could customize your chart, change colors. Next, let's go to a very important section of the TradingView, which is this plus sign, where you will get all those things you will use to draw on your chart. When you click on plus, you will see different categories here, beginning with drawings. With drawings, you can get your trend lines, like this trend line, horizontal trend line. Let's look at this trend line. Click on it and you will begin to draw. To draw on the chart, move it to the point you want to start. Click once and then move it to the next point. Click, it is drawn. Click away and it will remain there, right? If you want to delete it or edit it, tap on it gently and you can see delete at the top. The 3 dots will help you to edit. Like, let me make it thicker. I go to setting. I will click on this place. I will click this one to make it thicker. Now you can see it is thicker. You can also make any tool you need your favorite so that you don't have to search for it always. Let's delete this one. Let me show you. If I go to plus now, I go to drawings, you will see I will have to search for the trend line again. Assuming it is not on the top, I have to start searching, or it is in other places. So what to do is to make it favorite. Just tap on it and click add to favorite. Now it will always be on the top. You could let it show on your charts this way. You see it is showing here. Your favorites could be showing on the charts so that you are able to click on it and draw, or go to plus and you see it under favorites. It's here. You click on it and then you are able to draw. Anytime you click on any item, it will be activated here. As long as it is activated, it is ready to be drawn. If you don't want it to be active again, tap on it gently and it will become inactive. As this is an introductory session, let's run it down quickly. Let's go to plus and continue. From drawings, you will have trend lines. You have the Fibonacci drawings. You have the shapes. You have the annotation for writing on your chart. You have the patterns, head and shoulder and what have you. You have the prediction and measurement. One of the interesting tools in prediction and measurement is price range. Let's make it favorite. And let me show you how to use it. Click on it. With this, you can measure what percentage you are targeting. Let's say from these points. Shift this, the point from where you want to start. Click on it and then drag. It shows that from this point to this point is 18%. You use this for measurements. Let me remove it. Tradingview is very interesting because you can also automate these drawings. Before we do that, let me just draw a few lines. Maybe let me just get a horizontal line, trend lines. This one. Let me also add it to favorites. You will always use this. Click on it. Let me first switch to daily charts. Okay. To shift the chart, adjust them. Just put your two fingers and spread it and close it, and it will be reacting. And if the chart scatters at any point, all you have to do is to go here, this place that looks like sun. Click on it and click on auto fits. Okay, it comes back and you could use your finger again to play with it. All right, so let's just draw one line. Analysis is better on PC, but if you are using phone, sometimes you may want to change your phone to landscape mode, right, this way, so that you can see more. So now it's easy for you to understand what is happening in the market, right? Now you could draw your trend lines, your horizontal lines. Now let me draw horizontal line. I will click on this and tap it from here. So with horizontal line, once you tap it, it will draw. So we have a horizontal line. You can see how it is serving as support and resistance. Here it serves as support and resistance. Here it serves as support. Here it was broken and it served as resistance. So this is a strong zone. You can see this point, $1,664 is a strong zone. So you have to know that this place is an area of value whenever price approaches this place. Now, shall we automate these things? Shall we? Let's do that. If you are new to trading, even experienced traders, they don't have a lot of time to be doing most of these things manually. All you need to do is to understand what those things are, what are the candlestick patterns, what are the chart patterns, that's all. There is a way to get these things drawn for you, especially if you're a new trader, and that is by the use of indicators. Click on plus, indicators. Now what are indicators? Indicators are tools that Tradingview and individuals like you and myself put together using the tools we saw to help you have these things drawn for you on the chart. There are different sections: technicals, financials. So let's go to technicals and type support and resistance. Okay, let's choose this one, support and resistance. Click on it, go back to your chart. You will see what's going to happen. Look at that. You see, all those support and resistance is drawn for you automatically. It may not be the way you want it. You still need your input, but it's giving you clear zones for you, all right, automatically to help your trading decision. If you want to remove any indicator, just go here. Let me remove these floating symbols. I don't want it again. So let me remove it. Drawings. This one, I'll just click on it. It goes. It has disappeared. If you want to remove any indicator or even edit it, click on the name, support and resistance. You can see it there. With this sign, you can click and edit. With this X, you can click and remove it. It goes. So let's go and remove it. It's gone. Let's pick another amazing indicator for you, for beginners. Indicators. Let's search for candlestick patterns. If you're a new person, you will be hearing candlestick patterns. If you don't really know how to identify them, just click on candlestick patterns, all candlestick patterns. Another interesting thing about these indicators and the trading view is that anything there is an explanation. You could click and read what it does. So I have clicked on all candlestick patterns, cancel. Now look at your chart now. It will be showing you the candlestick patterns. Like this one is a doji. This cross sign is a doji, right? Showing indecision. Now look at this. If you keep on scrolling, you will see more pattern. Look at another doji. Look at this, bearish engulfing, signifying a downtrend. You see, doji, bearish engulfing. So it will be showing you these candlestick patterns. Look at this, bullish engulfing that was countered by a bearish candle or bearish engulfing. So they are not perfect, but they will help you as a new person to find your way around as you learn. So anything you need, go to indicators and click on it. You'll be amazed that people have done something like that for you. All right. So the rest of the tools are just quite straightforward. Alerts, you could place alerts. You could compare two or more markets. You could create templates. Like anything you have plotted in this chart, you could save it up, right? Yeah, so that's basically that on the introduction to technical analysis and Tradingview. Don't forget to check out our comprehensive technical analysis training after you have gone through all the modules in this course. I will see you in the next lesson.